Hi guys, this is Sangeeta Vera and you are watching Kalon in Art. So I am back with another BTS Inspired DIY craft and guys just look at it, my bias is in it. Don't blush. Okay, now back to the topic. So guys, you can also personalize it according to your bias. I mean Taemin, Jikook, Minjun, Bheejin, whatever you like. And it's very easy to make, and to make this you need two cardboard of size 22 centimeters by 22 centimeters, and then cut the middle portion after leaving 3 centimeters in each side both of the cardboards. So basically we are gonna make our frame structure something like this. And now stick them together. And here I am using white glue to stick them.
Here we go.
Now take a transparent paper and cut it into frame size and then stick it over the frame with double-sided tape. So here you need a glitter paper and it's a kind of sticker type, and I have cut it into small strips according to the size of the frame. And now stick them as I am showing.
Invincible.
Now you need an adorable VKOOK photo, and I just downloaded it from the internet and then I made a printout of it in a normal A4 size page. Now cut out all the backgrounds, and here I prefer this tip to toe kind of photo because sticking this picture over that transparent page will give you a kind of 3D effect, or I can say kind of hallucination that they are standing in between the frame. And other kind of photos like only the face profile or the half of the body will not be that much effective. Now stick it exactly on the middle of the transparent page, and the most important fact is this photo must not touch any edges of the frame. And the last part is to decorate the frame, and here I'm sticking these stickers, but these stickers may not be available in your place. But guys, don't bother for that, because this will give you a chance to be more creative. You can do a lot of creativity by sticking flowers or heart shapes or emojis or anything. So this is the final look of this decor piece, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and also you can subscribe my channel, because that will influence me to do more creative work. And thank you for watching.